Create a fish. Create a red fish. Create a fish there. Create a red coffee here. Create a blue fish here. Select the red coffee. Select a fish. Select this. Select the red fish. Select the tomato. Select that. Select this. Select the red fish. Delete it. Delete the coffee. Delete the red coffee. Delete a fish. Delete this. Select the apple. Move it here. Move this there. Move the banana here. Move the tomato there. Move the steak here. Select the fish. Put it there. Put this there. Color the fish blue. Color the coffee black. Color the tomato black. Color this red. Mix bread and a steak. Select this. Move it there. Mix this and this. Mix this and this. Select this. Put it here.